Hello guys, welcome back. Now this is my first fitting. Okay, this is our first fitting, and it fits very well. So now this is the back. We have a press button here. Okay, you have to do this on your client's body. Then this is the back lacing. You can decide to add a cover to this. Now this is the zip. Only the zipping down. And the point of all this is the inbuilt corset. Okay. And I came down, my journey was 3 inches, I went up by 3 inches. And this is, I want to show you how to do your wrapper illusion, okay, using our lace, right? Now, you take the 2 sides, okay? I said you can do your round hip circumference plus 20 inches, that's for your width, and the length, I told you what to do. The length should be the length of your skirt plus extra 10 inches. Now you might want to decide to pleat this area, okay? When joining it to the zip, you might want to pleat, but I didn't pleat. But maybe you want to do that. It will give you more room to drape at the front. That is the essence of draping at the zipper area. I should have done that, but it didn't occur to me. So go ahead, use the 2 sides. Okay, let me use this lining for example. This is my lace. Okay, this is my lace, and these are the 2 edges. So use this other side. By the time you place this way, okay, and you tack. After tacking, you take it from the wrap it to the front like this, and you bring this side back, and you do the same thing, fold inside, and you hand tack. Now I did it using my hand needle to hand tack, but it will never show. You will never know that I use my hand needle to do this. It's very, very neat. To the hem and the sleeve, you join into the sleeve, okay? You join into the sleeve. Okay. Now this is our lace, right? So it depends on it, and if you want to do that draping at the back, it will give you more room to drape here. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is pick this, and I'm going to look for a style for it. You can do this, just pack up like this, okay, and you pack here like this. So you're going to be doing this, neatly do this, and you're going to be tucking it in, and you stitch here. Now this exercise is going to, you are lifting here. You can want to bead here, right? You might bead here and here, or you can leave it to be plain. So let me see. This is what we have. I have plenty because I did not use the round hip circumference. I added more because I want it to be fuller. So I added more, you see. You can do this. You can do this. This is so beautiful. So you can do this. And you take it off, and of course, you might put, if you want, you can put a press button here, and just press it. Okay? Or you can just tack. So I'm going to be tacking. So this is the length. But if you don't want it this long, you can reduce yours. Okay? Okay, if you don't want it this long, just do your full length plus 10 inches. That is okay for a normal length. but because I want it to be longer, I added more than 10 inches. That is why it is long. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm just going to tack it here. I'm just going to tack it. Beading. So first of all, I passed my thread from inside, and next thing I'll do is to start passing my beads. Okay, now I'm using this short one. This small, is it rice bead? Small, but it's kind of big. It's not tiny. So I'm going to be using passing 3. You can pass maybe 4, 2, or 1. Okay, so I'm using 3. When I take the 3, I'll take one of this my cut bead, and I'm going to pass. So that's how I did my straight beading. So from there I'm going to take it from inside and bring it out again. Okay, take it from inside wherever it stops. Make sure you mark there. Then take it from inside and bring it out again. So this can go with a matching thread or an invisible thread. You can also use this your fishing line to do that. So this is all I'll be doing for till I get to this back. So guys, this is the kind of bead I did for the waistline. I did a straight bead here, and I'm doing a scattered bead, okay, on the waistline. This place is showing. I'm doing a scattered bead there, and this is how to achieve your scattered bead. Let me start again. So you pass your thread from inside, and you take your bead. I use this big bead called bead. So you take your bead and pass in. Okay, now I'm using this big cut and it's long, so I'm just going to know where to start from. I'm using a measure what you have, and from there you pass it inside your fabric so the thread will not show outside. You pass it to the next place you want your bead to be. That is how to do your scattered bead. So if I like, I can make it to be full, like a clustered bead. Okay, I can make it to be full. Everywhere here will be beaded if I like. But because I don't have that much time, I'm going to be doing this. But depending on what your customer or your client wants, that is what you're going to do. So I'll finish up and I'll show you the final outcome of this our beautiful dress. And here we are done with the class. Thank you all for staying with me till the end of this class. Love you all. Bye.
So this is what it looks like after I was done with the beading and the dripping. So guys, thank you for watching. Please share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Love you all.